when you are qualified and you don't get the loan, will they credit your account, or is the way they do it is shows the property will purchase for you?
Okay, maybe let's go through it step by step, and then because all of these questions will then be answered.
Okay.
Yes. So the purpose, like I said earlier, is majorly
Jumbo. People are interested in collecting loans
from Lagos.
Jumbo.
Good morning, Jumbo.
Good morning. What's going on? Hello, Jumbo.
Good morning, Dr. Debo.
Dr. Debo. Another title to your
You don't join chief, have you?
Now you be the doctor of house.
Trinity, how you doing?
I'm very well. Good morning.
How you doing now?
Very well.
Are they okay?
Lovely. I'm interested in this topic. It's very, very important.
Okay.
I want to find out how much could you be paying back on this loan? How many years can you pay this loan if you collect the loan? The maximum number of years you can pay the loan.
Okay, great. I would answer. How much can you collect? You said.
Did you say how much you can collect or how much you'll be paying back?
No, he asked how long, for how long.
There was how long. The first question was how much. Jumbo, I think he said how much he's going to be paying. That was why.
How much depends on how much you collect as loan.
How you collect? How long?
Okay.
Will you be able to pay this money back?
Okay. Now,
the maximum, that's in the maximum year.
Okay.
For payment of the loan.
The maximum year is 60 is the age of retirement in the civil service.
Sure.
And that is what is used also as the terminal age. So usually when somebody is really between 55 and 60, it's difficult to qualify for this loan. Because whenever you qualify for it, the time you have that they have to consider your repayment is between your age and 60. Okay, so if you are 30, for example, and you take the loan, it means that,
next 30 years.
yes, you know, you have the next 30 years. You know?
If you are 18 and you're working already and you collect the loan, it means that you have a longer period. So your repayment will be very, very affordable. How about those who they do their own work when they retire?
See, it's still, you know, so they use 60 as a benchmark that a lot of people will not want to continue to work or make money anymore.
Be you a self-employed person.
Yes. So 60 is usually the age they use. So it depends on how far away you are from 60. If you are 40, 20 years. If you are 45, 15 years. So that's why I usually say that once somebody is 40 and you don't have a property, or you don't also, not that you just don't have, you don't even know how you plan to have. There is no plan on how you intend to have a property. You are getting into a dicey situation because your chances and opportunities are reducing drastically. I mean, by the time you put pen to paper and you calculate if you just have 20 years to pay, you will realize what the pressure is.
Hello.
Good morning, Stephen.
Hello.
Two calls at the same time.
Hello, Stephen. Good morning, Stephen. Are you there?
Stephen from Oyo.
It was clashing.
I think we lost.
Anyway, call us back. Yeah. Sure.
So that's. I think I answered that question.
I think there's a call. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Stephen.
Yeah.
Stephen,
thank you. I've been watching the program. It's quite enlightening.
Thank you.
One question. You've not mentioned the percentage, the interest rates. You know, you just said it was small. Small is very, very relative. Yeah, so I would like you to touch light on that.
Yeah. Just follow us. We will get there. Thank you very much. So let me talk about purpose first, okay? Like I said, you only can use it to buy property, okay? You can't use it to buy land. They won't give you. You can use it to buy property, to build property, to renovate an existing property.
To buy property.
To build property and to renovate. You can't use it to buy land, and you can't use it as a refinancing scheme, mortgage. So you already have mortgage, you understand, or you already have money, you own a property already. You own a property already. Maybe you have equity in it, or you've even fully paid on it. You now take that loan on the property. No, they don't do that. That's refinancing. They don't use it for that. Primarily, it's designed to assist people get their first property. Oh, good one.
You understand? It's designed to assist people get their first property. Now, talking about the limits, you can combine. So, for example, you can have a property that you want to buy that is 30 million naira. Okay. Once you can sort out 15 million by yourself, maybe you have 15 million that you've saved up, you can take NHF of 15 million if you qualify to balance, provided the person you are buying the property from understands and agrees with that arrangement that you are trying to make, and you are able to find a mortgage lender originator, a mortgage loan originator that will be able to help you process that transaction. Why not? And you have NHF, you've been saving, you qualify, and all, you can have that. So that's about purpose. How to apply for the loan, is usually operated, like I said, through mortgage banks. Is the Federal Mortgage Bank Initiative and is administered by them, but they use mortgage banks or organizations you call, or what they call mortgage loan originators. So you go to the mortgage loan originators, open an account with them, and be saving for a minimum of 6 months. Okay? Then, if you see a property, you get all the necessary documents, and then they start to process, they assess you, what you qualify for, and start to process the NHF based on that. Okay? So that's how to, number one, application is through a duly licensed and accredited mortgage loan originator by way of a mortgage bank that runs the NHF scheme. Okay? Your application choice, your mortgage loan originator must be accredited by Federal Mortgage Bank. Okay? I just wanted to read them out clearly so I'm not missing words. Okay? Application forms for NHF loans obtainable from the mortgage loan originator. You obtain your form from them, and then you fill it. They take you through the process. So the number one important thing for you to do in taking steps, because I like to teach people to take steps, not just listen to this. I would say if you are thinking about this, or you think it's something you are going to be interested in, go out between now and the next episode, next week, and look for possible mortgage banks. Ask them questions about how accredited they are regarding NHF. Can they help people process NHF? Have they helped people before? Can they show you evidence
of people whom they've helped?
They've helped to process NHF. If they've done that and they show you evidence and it's as recent, because anything with government and all would have its bottlenecks, would have its challenges. So they may tell you, it takes 3 months, 6 months, and you may be there applying 1 year. That's the truth. But there are people who take it. And if you are working and you are a Nigerian, what I tell people is forget about the challenges of it. Go into it and at least, because it's an opportunity that you shouldn't miss.
Okay. Olamide.
All right, I'm here with you.
Okay, your question or
Olamide is from Lagos?
Yeah, from Lagos.
Okay.
All right, good morning.
Good morning,
Olamide.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Go ahead.
With you. Go on.
All right, I greet my honorable Kukuruku.
How you doing?
And our first lady Kukuruku.
I greet you too, Mr. Olamide.
All right, my question, I want to understand if I need to go on 5 million. So how is the payment? Hello?
Hello?
You said if you need to go on 5 million, how is the payment?
Now, like we had said, Olamide.
Are you actually done? Sorry, sir. Are you done? Because it's still there. Do you have other questions so I can just answer once and for all?
Hello?
He's with you. Do you have other questions? You still want to ask questions? You have more questions?
Okay, my second question.
Okay.
Yeah. The duration of the 5 million, how is going to be? Okay. And what are the needs? What are the needs that will make me to qualify for the 5 million naira loan?
Okay. Olamide, thank you very much. Now, you see, what you pay back on a loan is a function of a number of things.
Okay.
What do you earn? How much do you have available to dispose towards a loan repayment? Okay. You understand? And I said the basis of calculating that is to look at what 33% of your income comes to. And the tenor is a function of how far you are from 60.
Okay.
You understand? The tenor you can enjoy. So the tenor plus what you earn will be able to even first help them determine whether you qualify
or not
for 5 million or something lower, or you even have opportunity to take something higher if you want to.
Okay.
You understand? And that is what will then inform what it is that you pay. Okay? The interest rate, let me just answer the guy that asked about the interest rate, because we'll get into that also in detail in coming weeks. But the interest rate is 6%. Single digit interest rate. 6% per annum. That's the interest you get to pay on NHF loan.
6%.
So it's very, very affordable. Don't forget that you are getting 2% on your contribution and you are paying 6% on your loan. Net is about 4%. Do you understand? So what they are doing is that they are using the 6% you are paying to be able to pay 2% of it, to be able to pay the contributors. Okay? The other 4% is what they use to sort out their own operational costs and all of those things, federal mortgage, and also the mortgage banks and all share. Now, in some instances, okay, some mortgage banks or your process of application will incur some other additional costs. Okay? But from all I've experienced in people doing mortgage NHF loan, is not the total thing that they have to pay, hook, line, and sinker for insurance and all of those things, is not taking the interest to be more than about 10%. 9 to 10%. But 6% is the interest officially that you get to pay, per annum on that loan.
Yeah, thank you for watching. I believe you've gained tons of information that you can use and start to apply in your real estate game, right? Now, I would like to invite you to where they say everything starts. It's our Real Estate Entrepreneurs Fast Track course. 2 days, fully loaded, fully packed, absolutely free event. You don't want to miss it. If you want to take your real estate entrepreneur's journey, business journey to the next level, you need to be at the Real Estate Entrepreneurs Fast Track course. I'll be there with some of our students, past students, mentees and mentors, and some of the professionals in the industry, dishing it out to you, showing you exactly how it's done. Because what? Your success is my motivation. Let's catch up at the next Real Estate Entrepreneurs Fast Track course. Click the link on the description and get registered. See you there.